Hey folks! Welcome to a new video. It's 2025 and we have a lot of focus on AI this year. AI is not just a buzzword anymore, but it's becoming an important differentiator. If you're not using AI integrations in your SaaS app, you may be at a risk of getting left behind. So today I want to talk to you about 5 ways in which you can use AI to improve your SaaS products and offer better solutions to your customers. We'll look at some practical ideas, their market potential, and if they are easy or hard to build. So let's dive in. First up, predictive analytics. Here's the deal. Most SaaS apps collect data, tons of it. But users don't just want reports. They want insights. Adding predictive analytics can help users see patterns and trends before they happen. For example, imagine a project management tool that tells you which tasks are likely to get delayed based on past data, or a CRM that predicts which leads are most likely to convert. These insights don't just save time, they drive better decisions. Predictive analytics can benefit CRM apps that predict sales closures or project management tools that flag overdue tasks. The market potential is moderate to high because almost every SaaS tool can benefit from it. The global analytics market is worth over $50 billion and growing. In terms of building this feature, it's moderately easy. You'll need a solid data pipeline and machine learning models, but you can use tools like AWS SageMaker or BigQuery ML to speed things up. Next, let's talk about document summarization. If your SaaS app deals with long reports, emails, or any type of content, this is for you. AI can summarize text into key takeaways, saving users hours of reading time. Think about it. An HR platform that condenses lengthy resumes, or a legal tool that extracts critical clauses from contracts. This not only boosts efficiency, but also reduces errors from skimming over important details. This feature works well for tools in HR, legal, or customer support teams. It's especially useful for onboarding guides or contract reviews, saving time and effort. The market potential is niche but growing. Text-heavy industries like law and customer service spend billions annually on tech solutions. As for ease of building, it's easy to moderate. Pre-trained models like OpenAI's GPT or Hugging Face make it simple to integrate summarization into your app. Number 3 is the classic, AI chat assistants. Chatbots are everywhere, but let's take it a step further. These AI assistants can handle complex tasks, like helping users troubleshoot issues or recommending specific workflows. For example, an AI assistant in a marketing SaaS app could guide users on setting up email campaigns or analyzing their performance metrics. The key here is to go beyond answering FAQs, make the assistant feel like a real team member. Almost every SaaS platform can use AI-powered chat assistants, but they're especially helpful for tools with lots of onboarding or customer support interactions. The market potential is very high. The chatbot market alone is expected to hit $10 billion by 2030. Building one is moderately challenging, but tools like ChatGPT APIs make it easier than ever. However, crafting a bot that feels truly helpful requires good design and testing. Fourth, let's look at personalization. Users love apps that feel tailored to them. AI can track behavior, preferences, and actions to deliver a unique experience for every user. For instance, an e-learning app could suggest the next course based on progress and performance, while an e-commerce platform might show personalized product recommendations. Personalization drives engagement, retention, and even revenue. This feature is ideal for SaaS apps in e-commerce, learning management, or any platform with diverse user needs. The market potential is huge. The personalization software market is projected to grow beyond $20 billion in the next 5 years. In terms of ease, it's moderate to hard. Behavioral tracking is straightforward, but building personalization logic takes some effort. Tools like Segment or Amplitude can help. Finally, automated quality checks. This is a hidden gem. AI can scan user-generated content, designs, or even code for errors or inconsistencies. Imagine a website builder that flags broken links or a graphic design tool that points out alignment issues. This kind of feature doesn't just enhance user experience, it can elevate your app's reputation as a quality-first product. Platforms like website builders, graphic design tools, or code editors can benefit from automated quality checks. The market potential is moderate. It's niche but critical for high-quality outputs. The creative and dev tool market alone is worth billions. Building this feature can be hard. It depends on the complexity of what you're checking. You might need domain-specific AI models, which take time and resources to build. So there you have it, 5 practical ways to add AI to your SaaS app in 2025. The key is to think about your users. What problems can AI solve for them? Got a favorite idea? Drop it in the comments. And if you're ready to start building, log on to Fuzen and start your project. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more SaaS tips. See you in the next video.